What is up, guys? Today we're destroying a TV with
that TV there and that TV there because they don't work. They don't work.
And we're also destruction hungry.
Yeah.
It's perfect
Alright.
fit. It's perfect fit for my arm. It's a brand new watch, guys.
Cool watch, right?
iPood. It's called the iPood 2000.
Alright, he's gonna throw the brick first. Hey, wait, do you want it laying down?
I'm gonna do it like this.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, here you go. Alright. Don't pause it because I can't pause. Just throw it away.
Look
Alright,
at that glorious little TV.
Alright, ready?
Now it's Cobra's turn.
That was fun! Maybe I'm gonna throw baseball.
No wonder!
What?
This whole thing was gutted, and there was already a brick in here.
No. We're fine. Yeah. We're at the park right now.
Oh, that's a mirror. Guys, look at the mirror.
Alright. Love you, Mom.
Love you, Mom.
Alright, Jacob said he loves you. Yeah.
Again, you call me that name. We both know that's not my name, and you call me it.
I just forgot. That one's 80%. Alright, move back.
Look at this. Look at
I know, I've
this.
seen it. It's pretty cool.
At first, I thought that was a brick right up there, but that's a mirror.
Wait, that's not the brick?
The brick is right there. Do it again.
Ready? Next.
That
Next.
failed. Let's look at the little TV.
Throw in this.
Ha!
Show him the
More.
damage.
Let's take a good look, guys. Let's see if
Is this sharp?
No, not really. You did squat damage to this mirror.
Dude, this has like no damage. Look.
It has damage now.
Okay, go.
Look at this beautiful tree. Hurry up and get your head out of there.
I'm getting the baseball.
Look at this glorious monitor right here.
Alright. Next. Ready?
I failed.
Sorry, I just have to get out a little bit of anger.
Boo! Get the brick. Is that a bus stop? No, it's not.
Grab the person.
So?
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna flip it down.
Here. Let me kick it down.
No, I'm gonna flip it down this way. Probably should have flipped it down that. Alright, let's start it over. You're gonna fall in.
Oh!
Alright, let me flip it up. You might not know.
You
Probably should not have done that.
You broke the mirror.
Oh well, let's flip it like this.
Look, guys, he broke the mirror.
Ready? 1, 2. That's fun.
Now, here. I want to throw the monitor.
Can I throw this
I
one
want
more
to
time?
do one last time.
Alright.
And then, you ready, guys? No, it's a gangster throw them all. Watch.
Alright, that sucked.
Yeah. Look at that pretty tree right there, guys.
Yeah, we forgot the math.
Yeah, we forgot the masks, or we would be doing stuff. Oh, earthquake, guys! Earthquake! Oh.
Ready?
Hold on, I want to kick it.
Oh, that was the most gay cake ever.
Do it again. I barely got you in the camera.
Oh, wow. Throw the wagon. That's what you get for being broken.
That's what you get for your initial or your internal hard drive stuff. Ow.
I think it's time for us to break this.
Okay, guys.
Ready?
Hold on.
This is gonna take one smash. No, I hit right here.
Do it again.
I can just do this.
Ouch. So, I would say that's it for this video.
No.
No, we're about out of time. We're low on battery.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, now we're done for now.
No, we're not.
Come on, dude. I want to hurry up and finish this. Here, let me get the final blow.
No.
Please, I want to...
Well, it's not going to be final blow yet.
Well, you're... At least let me throw it one last time before you finish it.
Alright. Here you go.
Flip it over. I want to hit the screen.
Oh, I thought you meant flip that.
Wow. Here, hold the camera.
I am the new cameraman. That sucked.
That
I'll show you
is
how real man does it.
durable.
Hey, you don't flip the camera, bruh.
Get into program monitor. Here.
Pretty durable.
That's what I just said. Oh. I'm just gonna start. Oh, we just did that. Okay, let's kick it over, dude.
What?
The camera did not even catch the brick going in there. Okay, let's check the destruction.
Let's start that. She got a
We should be...
It's south.
No.
Sure.
Okay, so that's the destruction.
We're not done.
I know, I'm just showing them my aftermath. Okay, guys. That's it for this video. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you with more videos.
Don't forget to share with your friends.
Yeah, don't forget to share with your friends. I forget to say that a lot. Like, subscribe, comment. Check out my channel, The Anaconda.
He might be getting rid of it.
Yeah, I might...
In the comments below, I think he should get rid of it. If he should, give this video thumbs up.
No, if I should give this video 1,000 dislikes. I don't ever see that happening unless we become famous or something, but
if we get 100 subscribers, I don't know what we'll do.
yeah.
A special party
If
thingy?
we get 1,000 dislikes on this video before the end of this month, I will get rid of my channel entirely. So like, subscribe, comment, share this with your friends because we like destroying
If
stuff.
we get 1,000 likes on this video, we will
Get rid of my account.
show our faces.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, see you guys.
If we get 1,000 likes, we'll show our faces. If we get 1,000 dislikes, I'll remove my account entirely.
But he's still going to be in Ballistic Gaming.
Yeah, I'm still.
Which is what this is going for. See you guys later.